We are going to be unboxing this educational toy, and I'm going to put my glasses on so I can read. This says, Mommy and Me Under the Sea. Yay! I love going underneath the sea. And it says, Mother and Baby Animal Match Up Puzzle. So let's open this up and get my scissors here. Oh, they always have these nicely packed up. I just flew. Boy, this one is really hard to open. And like I said, I have never unboxed these toys before. A sweet rhyme for your little one. Oh, so it's a little rhyme here that your mother or your father or sister or brother can read to you. Or you can maybe read it. Because this is for ages 2 to 4. Then we have, let's see, what do we have in here? We have some cards. Oh, here we go. These cards. This is a seahorse. And then a baby seahorse is called a fry. Then you have a manta ray and a baby manta is called pup. So all these are different. A dolphin! Oh, I've got some of the cutest dolphins, boys and girls. A dolphin and a baby dolphin is called a calf. And here, oh, you boys, I know you like this. Shark. And a baby shark is called a pup. I have a YouTube channel, Smart Brain Child Sunday, that has all these animals in it. It's called Alphabet Sea and Water Animals, and there are around 40 free videos you can watch. Let's go on to the next group of flashcards, or is this a puzzle? Let's see. This might, oh, I see what this is. This is the mother and here's the baby. You can put that over here. Oh, this is great, moms and dads. For your children, have them pull out the puzzle piece and put it down on the table. They're going to have to match these later. So, these are different ones. I think this is excellent if your child's interest is in sea and water animals. Like I said, my channel, Smart Brain Child Sunday, has a lot of these live sea water animals. Here's a preview of some of the animals in my videos, Alphabet Sea and Water Animals. Now, this is a seahorse, boys and girls. But this is a male seahorse because the male seahorses are the ones that give birth to the little baby fries. Listen. Did you hear the dolphin sound? He made his sound. You got it, Nate. He likes them. He likes it. Here comes black oh, is he sweet? Oh, you're so sweet. Yes, you are, yes. This is a touchy disc, so oh my God, you're trying to kind of come up to me, aren't you? For unboxing this one called Mommy and Me Under the Sea. See you the next time for unboxing educational toys.